So do you want us to sing to you, or do you want to show us what you brought? Okay, show us what you brought. What is it?
A what?
You talked really fast. My ears can't catch that. You say it slower.
Snow speeder.
A no
Snow
snow
speeder.
Does it
Yeah.
go in the snow? Yeah. Whoa, you want snow?
He's been.
What? I'm gonna have placements at my house.
No
Yep.
way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Cool. So where did you get this?
I'm gonna get it for home.
You got it at your home, but where did you get it before you got it from your home?
For Walmart. My
From
dad.
Walmart?
Yeah.
And how did you buy it?
My dad.
Were you good and you got it?
How did you make it? What's it made of?
I'm not big today though.
It's a Lego.
It's not Play-Doh? No, it's not
No.
Play-Doh.
Lego.
Legos, yeah.
Play-Doh, Legos. They kind of sound right though.
Yeah.
Play-Doh, Legos.
Uh-oh, bless you.
They're not laces though when we some big things walk.
Yeah.
Walkers, right?
Cool. Do people fit in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let me see if I can fit in there. You said there people fit in there.
No, what are they called, Emmanuel? What are the little people that go in there? They're called mini.
Like Anakin.
Yeah, little Anakins. Yeah. But what are they called? Mini figures. Okay, yeah, mini Anakins. Yeah.
Like they're not big things like walking snow.
Yeah, wagon
Really?
for the snow. Yeah.
Cool.
They're not too loud sounds.
So did your dad help you build this, or did you build it by yourself?
My dad built it, and I built the rope.
Wow.
So yeah, his dad built the actual like little spaceship thing, and he took it apart and built his own.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Oh, that's funny. Should we sing to you now?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2,
Wait,
3.
I want
Oh, wait
to
for
sing.
Kayla. Kayla needs to sit up. She can't
And
sing
pet no day.
down.
Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah,
sing
that's
to
what
you.
we're singing. 1, 2, 3.
You are special, you are special, yes you are, yes you are. Someone very special, someone very special. And it's Emmanuel, and it's Emmanuel. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!